Do you want to know how to schedule a room in Clubhouse? Then this video is for you. I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how to do it. It's dead easy. Let's go.
Okay, so here's what you do. You go to Clubhouse, then you go to the club where you want to start your room. Okay, so I'm going to go to my club. I tap my picture. I scroll all the way down. And then I'm going to tap on my club here. Then I'm going to tap here, schedule a room. And there I just have to enter a name. That is the title of the room, okay? I can add here, here a co-host or a guest. So that could be anyone, any person that's following me, okay? So, you know, I could add, I could add the other Sophie. Let's just say, okay, that's me, that's my other account. you can add more co-hosts, okay? Some Clubhouse rooms are hosted with many co-hosts. But let's just say we just have two. Then you have to decide on a date. Let's say it's Saturday at 6 p.m. You can choose here whether it's open to the members of the club only, in which case you tap this little thing. But if you undo that, then it means it's open to everybody. It's a public room. In the description here, I suggest you put, you have 200 characters, put a sentence or two that grab attention, that create a little bit of curiosity, so that people will want to come to the room. Okay, create curiosity. Then you hit publish. And that's it. It is now scheduled. Now, as you can see, if I pull that down, in my club, I now have this event, okay, that's scheduled. I believe if I go to my hallway, I will actually see it, or maybe I won't. No, I don't see it. But if I go to the events here, and I tap here, my events, okay, here, then I will see this. These are the rooms that I host, the events that I have. That is it. That's what you need to do.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Now, scheduling events in Clubhouse does mean that you are going to get more people to join your rooms because they'll know ahead of time, right, that the event is scheduled, that the room is scheduled. They can add it to their calendar, their Google Calendar, their Apple Calendar, and then they can make sure that they turn up in your room. So I do suggest, highly suggest, that you do schedule your rooms. If possible, if you have a recurring time, right? A room that you hold every Monday at 8 a.m. or every day at 8 p.m. or every Sunday, whatever the rhythm that suits you. But it's quite good if there's some kind of regularity that will help people turn up at your events. And the more people turn up in your rooms, the more then people will see your rooms, because all the followers of the people who are in your room will see the room, right? And then therefore you will have more people in your rooms. So I highly recommend, if you want to grow on Clubhouse, to A, hold rooms, create rooms, hold them, and B, schedule them ahead of time, and C, try to have a regular occurring room. if you want to join me on Clubhouse, I have a regular room on Mondays at 9:30 a.m. Pacific time, 5:30 p.m. UK time. It's in the UK, in the YouTube Empire Club. You're very welcome to join me there. I will put a link to the club in the description of the video. If you're not on Clubhouse yet, that will be an invitation for you as well. It will allow you to jump the queue and join Clubhouse that way. So if you have any other questions about Clubhouse, make sure you check out my tutorials playlist. I have a ton of tutorials about Clubhouse. If you don't find the answer in the playlist, please make sure you drop your question in the comments below. I will research it and I will make a video for you. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.